Welcome to my channel, Benefits of Corn and How to Use It. Corn, also known as maize, is a versatile and nutritious grain that offers various benefits to your health and can be used in a variety of ways. Here are some benefits of corn and how to use it. Nutritional value. Corn is a good source of various essential nutrients, including carbohydrates. It provides energy through its carbohydrate content. Dietary fiber. Corn contains both soluble and insoluble fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes bowel regularity. Vitamins. It's rich in vitamins like B vitamins, especially niacin and folate and vitamin C. Minerals. Corn contains minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. Antioxidants. Corn contains antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health and may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Heart health. The fiber in corn can help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health by reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Digestive health. The fiber in corn supports healthy digestion, prevents constipation, and can contribute to a healthy gut microbiome. Weight management. The fiber and complex carbohydrates in corn can help you feel fuller for longer, aiding in weight management. Energy source. Corn is a good source of energy due to its carbohydrate content, making it suitable for providing sustained energy levels. Uses of corn. Fresh corn on the cob. Boil or grill corn on the cob and enjoy it with butter and seasoning. Corn kernels. You can use fresh canned or frozen corn kernels in salads, soups, and stir fries. Cornmeal. Ground corn can be used to make cornbread, corn muffins, and other baked goods. Popcorn. Popcorn is a popular snack that's made from dried corn kernels. You can air pop or prepare it with a little oil. Corn flour. Corn flour is used to make tortillas, tamales, and other traditional dishes. Cornstarch. Cornstarch is used as a thickening agent in sauces, soups, and desserts. Corn oil. Corn oil is used for cooking and frying due to its high smoke point. Corn chips and tortillas. Corn is used to make various snacks like corn chips and tortilla chips. Canned corn. Canned corn can be added to soups, stews, and casseroles for extra flavor and texture. Corn salsa. Create a delicious salsa with corn, tomatoes, onions, and other ingredients. Caution. While corn is nutritious, it's important to note that some people might have allergies or sensitivities to corn. Also be mindful of added sugars and excessive butter or oil when preparing corn-based dishes. Incorporating corn into your diet can add variety and nutritional benefits to your meals. It's best to consume corn as part of a balanced diet alongside other whole grains, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Thank you for watching my channel. Like, share, and subscribe.